Long silog.
Top silog, of course.
Hot silog.
Top silog. Top silog.
Long silog.
Top silog.
Bacon silog. Top silog.
Top silog, definitely.
Top silog.
Top silog. Top silog.
Top silog.
Top silog.
Top silog po.
Top silog. Hot silog.
Top silog, definitely.
Top silog. Long silog. Tsaka top silog.
Top silog.
Two silog. Top silog.
Definitely in Matis or Guda. Matis is in Dongalo in Parañaque City. Guda is in Sucat, BF Homes.
Lukban, Quezon.
Definitely tops in Davao City.
UP.
At home.
Macdo. All branches.
In the Batcave, Katipunan.
In Rodix, sa UP.
Blue Skies, around here in Katipunan, the computer shop.
Sinangag Express. It's in Las Piñas. They have a branch there along times.
Paris.
Kamuning.
Sa Guda. Sa Lukban ng Tapos Commonwealth.
Tapakin.
Paris, sa Commonwealth. Food Plaza, Mulabit. Project 3. Tabi ng Farmers.
Dito po sa sa Quezon City.
Top yan ni Vivian. Sa may malapit sa nasa Kamuning.
Sa Red Crab, Mackenzie Hills.
Lola Celis, Mamaling. Sa Caloocan. Maraming laman yung tapa nila.
Kasi favorite ko siya since nabata pa ako yung hotdog. I would match yung itlog. Malasa yung tapa.
Salty and juicy taste of meat.
It's salty and it's a good dish.
Proper blend of egg and beef. Absolutely perfect.
I love hot dogs.
I don't know. I like tapa.
I know. Sweet.
It's just good.
Yung medyo hiwalay-hiwalay, tas sweet sa konti.
Masarap. Lumilitaw ang lasa ng karne ng baka. Masarap.
Pamasa. Kasi siya yung pinakamasalap.
Yung matamis-tamis, yung maganda pagkakamarinate, yung babad na babad.
Yung tapa niya masarap eh.
Malambot siya tsaka matamis.
Malasa, mastansya.